Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about PCI requirement 622, which talks about software development personnel working on custom software, making sure they are trained at least every 12 months. So engineers, developers, whatever the name for them is, but people working on developing custom software need to be trained in secure software practices. A couple key points about this. The secure software practices that they're being trained on should be specific to the language that they're using. So for example, if you have a Ruby developer, they're probably going to have different security practices than you're going to have somebody that's developing in Go because they're different language types. So making sure that you tailor the secure software development training to what they're actually going to be working on is very important. Now, another key piece that should happen is making sure that developers on that annual training are going to be acknowledging that, yeah, they've received the training and they understand what the secure best practices are. So making sure that you have documentation for that training is going to be really critical, because as auditors, when they come in and look for evidence of meeting PCI requirement 622, documentation of that training being completed is going to be really important. Now, a final piece to this is having documented software security practices for your organization, because not only would you use industry best standards, but you may have custom requirements inside of your software that you need to meet for secure software development. So making sure all those requirements are documented and that developers, as part of their training, review that as well is going to be really important. So making sure that at least every 12 months that all of your developers and all people working on developing the custom bespoke software are trained in secure software development is going to be a critical part of your compliance for PCI DSS.